They said you couldn't do it, that you were dreaming too big. But you felt something they couldn't see, a quiet force inside you whispering, keep going. You didn't need their approval. You just needed your own belief. That's where strength begins, not when they clap for you, but when they laugh at you and you rise anyway. Every great story starts with doubt. Someone always says, you're wasting your time, but that voice isn't truth. It's fear disguised as logic. They project their limits onto you because they've surrendered to them. Don't take their fear as your reality. Let it sharpen you instead. Like fire shaping steel, now stop, breathe. Remember who you were before the world told you to be realistic. That person still lives inside you. That fire hasn't gone out, it's just been waiting for oxygen. When others doubt you, it's rarely about you. It's about what your courage mirrors back to them. Your risk reminds them of what they never tried. Your belief challenges their comfort. That's why they mock what they secretly envy. Don't fight them, outgrow them. You owe no one an explanation. Stop over-explaining your dreams. Stop asking for permission to be bold. Strength doesn't ask, it decides. Write it down. I am done shrinking to fit small minds. There will be nights when you'll question everything, when the silence feels like proof that they were right. But that's when you're closest to the breakthrough. The dark before the dawn isn't poetic, it's real. Stay just a little longer. Now breathe. Look at how far you've come. You've survived the seasons meant to break you. Every scar you carry is evidence of endurance, not weakness. People who doubt you often need you to fail. It keeps their worldview intact. If you rise, it means they could have too, and that terrifies them. Let their disbelief fuel you. Let it become proof of how deeply you're meant for more. Stop waiting for validation. Stop looking for applause. The strongest ones are rarely celebrated at the start. They're studied after they win. Be okay with being misunderstood. Greatness is quiet in the beginning. Now stop. Listen. Do you hear that quiet pulse in your chest? That's the sound of persistence. It's what keeps you moving when everyone else stops. Sometimes strength is silent. It doesn't shout back, it simply endures. True power isn't loud, it's consistent. Every time you choose to try again, you're rewriting your destiny. Every no you turn into not yet becomes part of your legend. They doubted every visionary before you, every inventor, every artist, every soul who saw something others couldn't. Doubt is just the tax you pay for seeing differently. Pay it gladly. It means you're early. Stop comparing timelines. The universe doesn't rush masterpieces. What's meant for you can't miss you, but you can delay it by giving up too soon. Now pause. Look around. Notice who's still doubting you and who's quietly watching, inspired. Even your smallest steps awaken something in others. You're proof that endurance is contagious. You are not behind. You're being refined. Every delay is protection, not punishment. When things take longer, it's because your foundation is being built for something that must last. Stop letting their disbelief echo in your mind. Replace it with your own voice, firm, calm, certain. I will make it anyway. Say it. Feel it. Let it vibrate through your chest. Now breathe again. Let the tension go. You don't have to prove them wrong. You just have to prove yourself right. That's the real victory. Strength isn't pretending you're fine. It's showing up even when you're not. It's doing the next small thing with shaky hands. Every time you do, the universe takes note. Quiet courage is still courage. Stop expecting support from those who never walked your path. They can't understand what they never dared to do. Forgive them and keep moving. Now stop. Feel that? That's your resilience, built in silence, tested in storms. You don't see it growing, but it's there, layer by layer. There's beauty in being underestimated. It keeps you free. No spotlight, no noise, just you and your craft. Every unseen hour becomes a secret advantage. When it's time, you'll emerge unstoppable. Stop feeding your doubt more evidence. Feed your discipline instead. Do one small thing today that your future self will thank you for. Action silences fear faster than words ever could. Now breathe. Let go of the pressure to be perfect. Strength grows in motion, not in waiting for confidence. Just move. The clarity will follow. The people who doubt you will eventually ask how you did it. They always do. Smile. Don't explain. The best revenge is quiet consistency. Stop replaying the past. Stop rehearsing failure in your mind. Every time you do, you relive the same pain twice. Choose to remember differently. Remember what survived, not what broke. Now stop. Listen to your breath again. The rhythm of survival, in and out. You've been through worse. You're still here. That means something. Strength isn't a moment. It's a collection of tiny choices. To get up, to try again, to believe one more time. You're building a legacy, not chasing approval. Stop underestimating your quiet power. Some storms are meant to isolate you so you can hear your own voice again. Don't mistake solitude for failure. It's training. Now breathe. Feel the weight lifting. That's self-trust returning. The more you choose yourself, the lighter it gets. Doubt fades where conviction grows. One day they'll say, I always believed in you. Smile, because you'll know the truth. You believe first. And that was enough. Always has been.